Hey, so if you want to shorten links, track clicks, and make your URLs look clean and professional, yeah, Bitly is one of the best tools you can use. In this complete beginner guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Bitly from start to finish. First, go to the Bitly website and create a free account using your email or Google login. Once signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you manage all your links. Now, click the Create button and paste your long URL. Bitly will instantly generate a short link for you. You can customize the back half of your link, make it readable and branded, instead of random characters. Once ready, copy your short link and share it anywhere, social media, emails, or websites. Bitly lets you track clicks. Yeah, you can see how many people clicked your link and where they came from. You can organize your links into folders or campaigns to keep everything neat. And finally, explore advanced features like QR codes, branded domains, and integrations. So yeah, that's the complete beginner guide to using Bitly. Once you get used to it, managing and tracking links becomes super easy. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.